Hello, welcome to my first screencast. Today I wanted to refactor a little bit how we apply the Bintray release Gradle plugin in our 30-inch project. And yeah, I just wanted to take you with me how I proceed here and the steps, how you can do it by yourself. Yeah, let's start with introduce you a little bit into the project themselves. This is 30-inch. That's an Android library, an MVP library, and yeah, it helps you with structure your code in Android. Um, yeah, we have different Gradle modules here. That's the 30-inch is the core module, let's say, with all the MVP logic inside. And all the other modules are just, yeah, let's say plugins or add-ons to the 30-inch. We will publish, of course, the library to Bintray somehow, and currently the code looks like that. We use the Bintray release plugin from Stefma, and there is a little bit setup here. Oops. Our setup basically, because it's in all modules the same code, as you see here, it's literally everything the same, but the Android artifact, the artifact ID will change depending on in which project we are currently in. So in our 30-inch Kotlin module, the artifact ID is obviously 30-inch Kotlin. In our AX module, it's called 30-inch AX, of course. I'm not quite happy with that solution. Yeah, because we applied it everywhere and we have all the same ugly code here. And at the end, we call a custom Gradle script here, which set up the publish block. And it's literally everything the same. What I wanted to do now is to refactor this by introducing the build source. Yeah, the build source, yeah, how was it called? Build source thing. And create a custom plugin which will, based on the library plugin, apply the Bintray plugin and do the setup for us. So yeah, let's start with it. So firstly, I will create the build source directory. Inside that, we create a Gradle file and we'll apply Kotlin JVM plugin in version 1.3.20. So we need the repositories here, JCenter, and we need obviously the Kotlin dependency. How is it called? GDK8, I think. So apply dependencies, implementation should be correct. So then, because we wanted to create a plugin, we apply the Java Gradle plugin. If you're not familiar with it, that's a plugin by Gradle themselves, and it helps us a little bit with the with creating some plugin overhead, which should be otherwise created manually. So our plugin, Gradle plugin, it's an extension, I think. Plugins, right? We wanted to create a new one. Let's call it Net Grandcentrics Gradle Publish plugin. It has the ID, yeah, or that's basically the ID of that plugin and the name, which not really care. We can say Bintray Publish. Oh. And our implementation class is somewhere in net, grants and tricks dot Gradle publish plugin. So the next thing is that we create that class. Source. Do we start with source or with main? We're always confused about it. Source main, then Kotlin. Then we push everything. And now the package. Oh, we have to resync so that they recognize it as standard. They will recognize the Kotlin as a source directory. Yep, awesome. It's blue. Now we can create packages. Grandcentrics Gradle publish. It's a package and the publish plugin. So we start by creating the plugin. Then project plugin, no settings plugin. We implement the members. And what we always do is change the target name to project because it's a project. So, what do we want to do is we want easify the process of the Bintray release. That means what I want to do, or what we have to do, is take this plugin as dependency. I will try it first as an compile only dependency because it will be added at runtime from here to the project. So probably compile only is the best solution. So it means that we can access the classes here. But yeah, at runtime it's not there, but it will be later added to the class path anyway because it's declared here in the build script. That's a little bit overhead. And the solution is to use the implementation here, but yeah, it's not. I'm not quite sure if that's the right solution. Okay, anyway, let's sync the project. Okay, the issue is here that this plugin has as its own transitive dependency the Android plugin, so we have to add the Google repository to download it. Yeah, that's an issue in the Bintray release plugin, but it is already fixed in the upstream plugin of that. But for now, we have to use that solution. So let's jump into the plugin implementation. We wanted that when the plugin manager recognize the Android plugin library, then we wanted to apply the Bintray release plugin. We can set up these publish extensions by calling project extensions get by name publish. That's the name of the extension, as you can see here. As publish extension is the implementation class. And we want to set up everything from here. So now we have basically set up everything from here and can literally remove it. That's basically all. What we have here is also that we set up the Android artifact extension, which is also an extension basically from the Bintray release. And as we see is that the artifact ID is always the name of the project. And the name of the project is defined here in the settings.gradle in the include file automatically. That's how Gradle works. That means when we want to get rid of this extension or block as well, then we can get another extension, the Android artifact extension, and that's of type artifact extension. And there we can say the artifact ID is the project name. So that should be all. Now we can replace all the publish stuff in our modules with our plugin. 30-inch RX. And what's left? Logging interceptor. Oops. Just the name, of course. Then 30-inch Kotlin. Oh, was already. X2. Makes sense. And that's probably all. 30-inch lint is not. So then let's try it. Okay. Let's find out what the issue is. Getting the no class defined. Okay, that's an issue with the compile only configuration, because the plugin uses this class and it's only available at runtime at compile time, but it seems that it needs it at compile time. So we added to the implementation configuration. Gonna probably net. Yep, that's obviously wrong here. So seems to working. Then let's try help another time. Seems working. Then take a look, publish to Maven local. What the output is. Can open the local Maven. Nothing in there currently. Okay, I have to download all the stuff first. Take some time. So okay. First artifacts are available. The 30-inch. Create the Docker task. Then the last step. 30-inch. Oh, everything's there. 30-inch has the Java dog, the sources, and the RR. So Kotlin has the Java dog, which should be empty, the KDoc file, the sources, and the RR. So it seems that it works. Awesome. Fine. Then can finally replace this. Create publish plugin to edify publishing. That's all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.